Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Desktop for beginners. First, you'll create your company file, which is the foundation for all your financial records. Next, customize your chart of accounts to categorize income and expenses accurately. Finally, input your opening balances for bank accounts and liabilities to ensure your starting financial position is correct. This sets up your entire accounting system for success. Now, let's manage your customers and sales. Begin by setting up detailed customer profiles, including their contact information and payment terms. When you provide a service or sell a product, create an invoice to bill your clients. Once payments are received, record them promptly in QuickBooks to keep your accounts receivable accurate and up to date. Next, we'll cover managing your vendors and expenses. Start by establishing vendor profiles, which helps organize all your supplier information. When you receive a bill for goods or services, enter it into QuickBooks to track your accounts payable. Finally, process payments to your vendors, ensuring you settle your outstanding debts and maintain good business relationships. To wrap up, let's look at reports and reconciliation. Generate essential financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, to see your business's performance. Reconcile your bank accounts monthly to ensure all transactions match your bank statements, catching any discrepancies. Regularly reviewing these reports provides clear insights into your financial health and helps with informed decision-making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.